Imagine turning a simple image or just a text prompt into a cinematic AI video in seconds without any editing skills. Sound crazy, right? Hey everyone, welcome to Priya Promo. Today I'll show you how to use Runway AI to generate videos from text and image step by step. Absolutely beginner friendly, free. If you are a YouTuber, short form creator or AI enthusiast, this video can change your content game. Let's jump in. Step 1. Open Runway AI. Open Google Chrome, search for Runway AI. Click on official Runway AI website. Always use the official site to avoid fake tools. Step 2. What can you do with Runway AI? Inside Runway, you can generate image to video, create text to video using prompts, make AI powered shorts, reels, and cinematic clips. This tool is extremely popular among USA creators and filmmakers. Step 3. Sign up. Required must be. Click sign in, press continue with Google, select your Gmail and click continue. Boom! Your Runway account is ready instantly. Step 4. Text to video, prompt based AI. Click text to video, tap next, continue. Now your video generation template is ready. Simply write your prompt, click generate, and Runway AI will create a video based on your imagination. The more detailed your prompt, the better your video quality. If you are enjoying this tutorial so far, make sure like this video and subscribe to Priya Promo for more AI tools, shortcuts and creator hacks every week. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Step 5. Image to video, shorts creation. Now let's do image to video. Click image to video, upload your image. Select image in shorts, choose your style, click next. Instantly, AI will generate a short from video perfect for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels or TikTok. No editing, no timeline, just AI magic. Step 6. You can take tutorial to learn more about Runway features, but honestly you already learn everything by watching this video. Quick pro tips for better results for you, for my subscriber. Use high resolution image, keep prompts clear and cinematic. Short videos perform better on USA platform, and music led for higher engagement. And that's it. This is how you use Runway AI to create videos from text and image in minutes. If this video helped you, subscribe to Priya Promo, hit the bell icon and comment below. Text to video or image to video, which one will you try first? See you in the next one.